Code Crack with Raghu. Today we are going to crack a LeetCode best time to buy and sell problem using JavaScript in a super efficient way. We are given with an array of prices where each element represents the price of a stock on the day. We need to find the maximum profit by making by by make on buying on one day and selling on the future day. So here is the input. uh, they are giving prices here, so we need to take this input, and for this input we need to calculate the maximum profit. Okay, so let's say uh, so day I will write a pseudo code before that. This is day 1. So for easy understanding, for day 1 the price is equal to 7, and for day 2 price is equal to 1. So for day 3 price is equal to 5, and for this is for day 4, this is for day 5, and this is for day 6. Okay. For day 4, day 5, and day 6, day 3 it will be 5, day price will be 5, and for day 4 it will be 3, and for day 5 6, and day 6 it will be 4. So in which day you can buy? Everybody will buy the stock at everybody plan to buy the stock at low price, right? So in day 2 is the low price 1. So best buy is 1, and best sell equal to 6, because after 1 6 is the maximum price value, so 6. So the max profit is equal to 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So max profit is 5. We cannot we can sell at 7, that is a max profit, but we are buying at day 2 only, so we cannot go to the previous day. So how we are implement this logic through our approaches? One is brute force approach. I'm going to write a program for that. Okay, const brute force approach. So I'm going to write a problem. I'm going to write a code for this one. In brute force approach, right, we need to have a two loops. One loop will be for the one loop. It will start with let's say I will type a program and then we will explain. Like let I this will take the initial value and going to compare with the other price values. One loop is done. I need to write a second loop because it's a brute force. So we are going to keep two loops here. The second one will be j. This is the important one. J is equal to I plus 1, because we are going to take the second value. We have already taken the first value, right? We are going to take the second value and iterate second value, third value, fourth remaining values. The iteration will go on. So here is the calculation. We need to calculate, first we need to calculate the day profit, and then we are going to calculate the max profit. Day profit is prices of j minus prices of I. So it will take the two values and calculate the profit. Now we need to calculate the max profit. So let's say max profit is equal to, initially I am declaring it 0. Here we are going to calculate max profit is equal to math.max of profit comma max profit. So I am returning the max profit here. So I will put a console. You are able to see. Okay. I'm going to take console and I will do brute force. Brute approach colon comma the value. Here you already have on this function. Okay, I'm running this problem now. So we'll get an output 5. All that's our max profit, right? So we are getting the solution. But here it will be order of n, order of n, and one more loop that is also order of n. So that's we are having two order of n, right? So it will be the whole time complexity will be time complexity will be order of n power 2. But this is a worst case because we are looping through two iteration. So how we can loop through one iteration? That is the optimal approach. For that we are going with two pointer. So in the two pointer we are going to have two values. Let's say two pointer two pointer approach. Two pointer approach. Here what we are going to do, we are having the two values. Left is equal to initial left, and right is equal to the next value. Okay, and we need to calculate the max profit. Max profit also initializes 0. So here we are going with only one loop, and here I already declared three values, right? Three values, one is for left and one is for right and one is for max pointer. So what it will do now, the left will go to the array. For example, the left initial left will be 7 and initial right will be 1. Okay, and we are going to do the max calculation for here. So I will check the condition, right needs to be less than the prices of length. So this is for the loop. Okay, now we are going inside and we have the calculation here. We have one if else. What we need to do, we need to compare and we need to do the max calculation, and we one more point we need to update the pointer. So what we are going to do here, prices of we need to do the calculation. Right needs to be greater, correct, right needs to be greater, and prices of left. Okay, this is the condition. If this satisfied, we need to do the profit calculation. So I will explain this once I am done. Okay, prices of right minus the same logic what we applied in the brute force, right? The same logic only, but instead of I and j we are keeping here as left and right with the two pointers. So this is max profit, and I'm going to keep a variable two pointer. So we will keep the value here. We need to check math dot max. Here you need to compare the two values. One is profit comma another one is max profit for a two pointer. So else if that is not satisfied, our new left, you need to assign the right to the new left. Okay, then this is the default one. If else is completed or else no, right will be incremented. So this is the logic, and I am going to return my max profit variable. Okay, so let's say now I am doing the console log. Two pointer approach. Okay, fine. Comma, then we need to call that. Okay, fine. Okay, I am done. Okay, I am going to check whether it will return the same output as brute force. Yeah, it is returning the same output like 5. it will calculate the same profit. So how this is possible? So first iteration, we are going to keep two values like 7 1. So let me explain for first iteration, then you guys will understand what I am doing. Iteration 1. Okay, for iteration 1, left is equal to 0. 0 means the value of the price value is 7, and right is equal to 1. So the value of 1 is 1. Okay, now we are going to compare here while if loop. So this will be satisfied anyway. Right is greater than less than the prices length, so it will be satisfied. After that, we are going to compare the if loop. What is the if? Prices of right now it is 1. I already taken. Is greater than prices of left, which is 7. So the condition won't satisfy, so it will go to else what it will do, assign the right to the left. This right value is 1, and now we are going to assign the right to the left, which means new left will be new left is equal to 1. Now left is equal to 1, and what I did, I increment the right. So the new right will be, what is the second value from here, 5. So it will increment 5. You got it, right? So like this loop will go, and like this the loop will go. So new right and new left we calculated. So I will explain iteration 2 also for better understanding. Until we are getting that result right, I will explain. Okay, true. So the same thing we are going to do here also. So what is our current left? Current left is 1. Current right is 5, and we are checking whether the left one is greater than 5. A2 uh, the the sorry, left will be 1 and right will be 5 now. Okay, so we are going to check this 1 with the 5. So right will be 5 now, and the left will be, sorry, right will be 5 now, and the left will be 1 now. Okay, so we can check here, right will be 5, is greater than left will be 1. So this is left 1, right 5. So I am checking here. So from here, what we can conclude, the condition is satisfied because 5 is greater only. So it will go inside and calculate the max profit. So what is the calculation they are doing? Prices of right now 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. This is the max profit now. So we can update the max profit. We are not updating the left and right values. Now we are only updating the max profit. Max profit is 4 now. Now the new right will came, because every time we are incrementing the right by one value. So, right, you are seeing here, right, it's out of the conditions. So it will be incremented now. The new right will be 3. 3 is the new right. So the same iteration will repeat. So equal to 3, iteration 3, and we need to add the value. Left is same 1 and right is the 3, and we are going to compare here 3, this condition, and here is also replace, so it is 2, and then profit will be 2. Now the so okay, sorry, I no need to update the profit because we are comparing which is the max. So already the max profit has 4, so this profit is only 2. So which is max? 4 is max, or compared to 4, 2 is lesser amount. So the price amount is only 4. It remains 4 only, it won't change to the new profit. Now the new right we are going to change, because right incremented, right, we are going to change to the new pointer. It is 6. which will be 6. So iteration repeats. Here it will be 4. Here it is 6. 6. So condition will satisfy. 6 minus 1, 5. Condition is we are getting the profit value, and we are going to compare this profit value with the max profit. Max profit is 4 only, but current profit is 5. So we need to update the max profit value because it is bigger than the max profit. So we need to update that value, and we are going to increment this value. And what is the right value? 4. So you can run through for loop also. That is, if the max profit is greater, you can update. Else, no, you no need to update and return the max profit. So like this only, we are getting 5. Or say output, right? So these are the iterations, and you need to do. Okay, I will comment out this thing. And here also we are using two pointers, left, right, and then max value. Compared to this, we have one more approach that is very clean. That approach also, for this, what is the time complexity? You guys know this is having only order of n, and space complexity we have only order of 1 because we are not using any data structures here. So fine, we are going for a next approach. Const, that is single pass approach. We can add greedy. So okay, fine, I am going to do a approach here. So for this, right, what we are going to do, this is a some optimal solution compared to other solutions, right? Whatever the solutions we already provide, it is like two pointer, it is having the same time complexity, space complexity, but the solution is somewhat clean. For this, we need to declare the minimum price. So minimum price I am keeping as an infinity currently, because that's the initial value we are keeping now. And the max profit, for greedy approach, we can mention like this. So we are going to keep as it is 0, and we are going to check a loop. We have only one loop here, that is order of n. I will mention only order of n is the time complexity we are going to maintain here. So how we are going to do order of n, and here is a loop. Let I is equal to 0, sorry, 0, I prices dot length I plus plus. Okay, this is done. Now we are going to add the main logic with the prices of I. If the prices of I, we are going to check the minimum price. If we are here, we need to find the minimum price. So if this is satisfied, then our current price is the minimum price. Okay, so our current price is the minimum price. So I am just updating the price value here as current price. Else now we will do the what we do, we will do the max profit calculation. So we will approach, first we will calculate the day profit, and after that we will calculate the max profit. Okay, after that we will check and update the max profit. So that's what I'm doing here. I minus of mean price. So this is the calculation, and we are now updating the max profit variable. Okay, what we will do, math dot max of one is a profit, comma, another one is max profit. Okay, now I'm going to return this value. Here approach, I'm calling the mention here. um, So you are getting the result right 5. How we are getting the result? We are having only one loop, and here we are just calculating the minimum price. Okay, and if every time we are calculating the minimum price, and with the minimum price we are doing uh, subtraction with our current price. So like this we are doing, and we are getting the, and we are updating the max profit value. So I will explain this approach for one iteration. Remaining iteration you will understand easily. For example, iteration 1. Okay, let's say prices of I can keep it as a current price, so you guys will be not confused. Current price is equal to this one, so I am updating this value everywhere. Okay, updating this variable. So now it will be easy for us to understand. So the current value. Okay, so current price is now 7. Okay, current price is 7, and you know the min price is infinity, so which would be default bigger value. So if we compare this condition will satisfy 7. There's like okay, so the condition will satisfy, and we are just updating the min price is equal to 7. So first it will go to if, so that is done. Then for iteration 2, I will take the value for also. Okay, so the minimum here, the minimum current price is 1, and minimum price is 7. Minimum price is 7, so we calculated this one with this one, like here current price is less than the minimum price. I am checking current price is 1 less than the minimum price, so it will satisfy and update the minimum price to current price. So this is the logic. Like this it will go, and it will calculate the max until like once we are finding the minimum price, right? After that the minimum price is fixed. For example, here 1 is the minimum price, it is fixed. After that we will be going the second value, right? We are doing the max profit calculation and updating the max profit value. Like here is also we are doing the max profit calculation. Let's say I will explain this one also. Okay, one iteration I will explain, then after that you guys will understand. uh, for iteration this is 2, so the current price is now 5, and minimum price is 1. Here the minimum price is 1 and the current price is 5, so minimum price will be same only. This condition won't satisfy because 5 is not lesser than 1, so it will go to here, so it will calculate the max profit, current max profit. So what we will do, we will do 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. The max profit equal to 4, equal to 4. So now we are going to do it for a the same, the max profit is updated, right? So we need to do it for 3 and 6. So 6 we will find the max profit, because 5 that only we are getting here. We already run the code, right? We are getting the 5. So now what we are doing, we are going to update our solution. Need to add our solution in the LeetCode, and we will check what is the output we are getting. Okay, now I run this code. Yeah, all the values is accepted because we are getting the expected output only. And now we can see, right, we have one more input. this input, and the return max profit is 0. We will check this value also here. Already we run there. If you want to check also, you can check here. For this, we need to get 0. Okay, sorry, I didn't commented these things. I have done right, so I need to comment. So I'm done. So I can check that value. Yeah, all are getting 0. So our output is fine. So we are getting a proper output. We can submit the problem. So the best solution is we can go with this one, greedy approach. So that will be order of n, and time complexity is order of n, and space complexity is order of 1. So this so we have solved the best time to buy and sell the stock problem. Like and subscribe if you want more DSA problems in JavaScript, Python and Java. Thank you.